I mean, you're Italian, Sam. Come on.
I'm the worst cook out of everyone here. I want it to be known.
You gotta do the hand thing. Hey.
Spaghetti. Hey guys, it's T-Dubs here, and today we're gonna be doing a discount cook-off challenge. I got my 2 chefs here,
ready to cook.
Let's go.
And today we're gonna be competing to see who can cook the best meal. You ready?
Nope.
Ready.
Ready.
That's upside down. It's recording right now too.
Open it.
We should have done $10.
No.
Yeah, put your egg in there.
Thank you.
Alright guys, here we are. We're about to start. We have 45 minutes. And everybody's gonna start cooking. Alright? Ready?
Yeah.
Set? Go.
Open
Oh yeah, just cook the meat first. Oh, this is a little massive, boy. Preheat nothing. Oh, you're pretty cheese through top again? Well, how do you open this?
What's the bread doing? It seems good doing that long. Yeah.
Nope.
That was a lot.
I want one too, man. I'm hungry.
That's true.
So you guys could eat one and then I'll eat two.
Chicken?
Look at I got my stuff done. Put your chicken in there. Oh, it's little fatty pieces. Ew.
There's a reason I don't do this for
Okay.
flaming me in the comments right now.
Okay, so to throw in there?
You are watching a master at work.
And you start doing Fortnite dances? I'm good to go, boys.
You done?
No, I'm gonna cook it. I'm waiting for some chicken.
I'm trying to get oil. I'm trying to put some oil.
Wait.
I need more oil.
Wait, for real though, what am I gonna do?
Drink it.
You guys have a strainer?
No.
Yeah, it should be behind.
No.
Chef, how much longer are you chicken?
A while.
Oh, please.
Gotta cook out all the bacteria.
Please.
And I gotta throw these bad boys in.
Can't have this. Where's the lamb sauce?
It's not there.
28 minutes still. Wow. See, this is pretty easy.
Good thing I'm stalling you.
Yeah, honestly, you're
You'd be done by now.
seriously stalling, bro. Enjoying a nice meal right now. Yeah, Chip, how are you doing right now?
Today, I'm putting some cheese and some bread. Too much bread, so I cut some of it off. But other than that, I'm looking pretty good.
That's looking like a minus on the presentation.
Nah,
for me.
Presentation. It's all about the taste. It's really hot. If you want, I have to like sit it out.
Let me put it in there.
Chicken, dog. Get a quick zoom in on this chicken, guys.
Don't get it. It's up to
Put
you.
it there. Put it there. I'll do it. It's okay. I got it.
I can clean it if you want
It's
to.
okay.
Get away, my chicken. Get away. These guys are fools.
Chef yourself, what do you have to say about this chicken?
Hey, looking hella good. They be mouth savoring from this bad boy.
Mild savory.
Savoring from the mouth.
Ooh, perfect.
Do that.
You're probably 11% on that.
Stop talking.
I just want to drink.
I should cut little pieces. I mean, like the cooking. I'm cutting now, you know. As a professional chef, when he doesn't use a cutting board, you know he's a professional. He uses a napkin? That's a professional right there.
It's just as good.
Just, you get little paper bits in your chicken too? Oh, but that's
It
delicious.
slaps a little bit. That's extra flavor right
It's
there.
a good thing your mom didn't have you make or anything.
You don't love this. Getting ready for this challenge. We've been preparing all week. How is it? Immaculate?
Need salt?
I got salt here. Chef, here.
No, thank you, sir. Chef.
Of course, you add a little more salt. A little more salt. I knew it was gonna need salt.
Perfection.
It's like some cheap you have out at like a church or something.
You know what? The church slaps.
Look at the thickness of that.
I don't like the bread too much.
That's what I'm saying too. That's how I'm feeling.
Easy, sir.
Sounds good, sir.
I'll give the point to being finished to unhealthy.
True
If-
honest.
I was
finished first.
You didn't.
I
You
did
literally
it
put out a
first.
new plate.
Fine, we'll get to honest.
Give it to unhealthy because he
Give it to
definitely would have finished first.
Fine.
The battery on that, please.
Time is over. How do you feel about your cooking today?
It may not look the best, you know, that's true. But the flavor, that's all I'm here for.
Okay, all right. Sam, how do you feel about your
I'm
food?
feeling pretty good. It's my first time like making a quesadilla on the stove. I'm usually using the microwave, I'll admit it. But it actually turned out a little better than I thought. The ones I cooked so much quicker. But other than that, I'm happy.
Don't look the other side.
Mine was bomb. I don't care what they say. I think I made the best one. True. What would you have changed?
Anything else you would have bought or anything at the
Okay.
store?
True.
If I change, I looked up how to actually fry chicken
Yeah.
properly. I heard you can do it in the air fryer,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I know there's a real thing.
Yeah.
But I did it wrong. I need to add oil before. I think that's my problem. I'll change that. And again, actual bread. This bread's a little thick, so it's too much bread for the chicken.
Any other like things you put on top of it?
No,
No?
I think I'll leave it like that. Different bread. Cook it differently.
Ketchup on it?
I was gonna put ketchup, but I heard disagreement around
Blame
the
him in the
court.
comments for that.
True.
Ketchup with chicken. Lou, what do you mean? It's a sandwich. Okay.
I wish I didn't know there was no pepper here or garlic powder. That's kind of a rip. I was told they had it, but the clear sabotage there.
Obviously.
But it is what it is. I'm still happy. We'll see how it turns out, I guess.
True.
Lionel, you anything?
I work on like some more meat for it. I think it's gonna be a little plain. It just has the bacon.
Like in the middle?
Yeah, like in the middle, something that's not like an actual sandwich.
Pepperoni or something?
Or something. It has something to go in there, but other than that, I think it'll be delicious.
Yeah.
Okay, it's you.
I
Come on.
want-
Okay, just which one looks the best and which one tastes the best, okay?
Okay.
You want a chair or? Yeah, you want to sit down one?
Sit down,
Yeah.
No, I want
Oh,
to
Yeah. Oh, she's not sitting?
This, it looks the best.
That
This,
left one?
Yeah, this.
Why? What do you like about it?
I like it.
Do you like it because what?
Do you want to bring camera? Come on, Mike.
Me gusta porque I like it. It's a piece of bread and I have the bacon on the top or whatever it is. It looks like a flower, you know, like a decoration.
Yeah.
This way.
That's what, Anho, is that what you're going
Yeah, that's what I was
for?
going for. 100% decoration right on top. Delicious
Yes.
decoration.
Like a flower?
Yeah, like just
It's
like a
kind of
flower.
rigged. What's your relation to her?
I don't even know this woman. I don't know who she is.
I don't even know.
Yes, exactly. Who are you?
It's like a strange comment.
Yeah,
things
yeah.
like that.
Exactly.
Well,
Okay,
you
can
can
I
take a
taste
bite.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be a big bite.
Big one?
Whatever you want to do.
Oh, you hear that crunch? Oh yeah, it was a good crunch.
Yeah, it's a good crunch.
A little crunchy.
Is it
Is it
nice and
good?
crunchy? Good?
Good?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Try the next one.
This next one.
Next one.
We don't,
Next one.
We don't know who that one is.
Yeah.
What do you guys say about this one?
You don't say too much. You know.
That could be mine. Wait.
Could be mine.
What's it look like? Angel, you said that was a flower. That's
Yeah, what would you compare this one to?
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Oh. There's the mom with the babies.
Yeah, that's true.
But the babies don't have skin, see?
Oh,
It's white.
they haven't grown up.
Yeah, they
They
don't.
gotta grow up. They'll get some more skin.
That's true. They need more hair. I
Yeah.
just want to taste it.
Yeah, take a
Of course,
bite.
I taste it.
I'm scared now.
How do you feel about that one?
Yeah,
After you chew, after you chew.
It's soft and
A little dry,
Well,
right?
pretty good.
Chicken's a little dry.
You gotta be stingy. What do you give this one out of 10 for taste?
I have to taste the
That's
mom.
true.
That's
Give it
true.
all
So
right.
compare.
Yeah, okay.
No, it did. It looks like a quesadilla, right?
That is exactly what it is.
We're crunchy.
Yeah.
What do you have inside?
Just cheese and ground beef.
You know a lot about this one.
Yeah. I saw the chef making it. He was pretty good looking.
I think he was Italian.
Yeah, it is good.
What's this one look like?
Like a quesadilla.
Oh, okay.
Normal quesadilla.
You could have said like a baby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, what happened there?
I love
Yeah.
the group
Yeah.
the ooh.
Yeah. 2 bites. 2 bites.
I like the
Crunch.
crunch
The little
and the
burning?
taste.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
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 For me, I love it.
You like
Yeah.
the charcoal?
Yeah. No, that's not charcoal.
Oh, that's not charcoal. Oh.
If it's really charcoal,
Well, yeah,
I'll never eat it.
Really? You must not like this chef or something.
Okay, if you had to rate each one of them, what would you say?
Like out of 10, what are you giving the left one? The first one.
First on how it looks and second on how it tastes. So out of 10, how it looks.
How it looks, I already give
Yeah,
it
sure,
10.
go down.
10?
10.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And how
Sorry,
it
no,
tastes.
the,
And how it
And
You
the
love
taste.
flour.
Which one do you like the best one? Tasting.
the all three the best taste.
Yes.
Which one?
There's one. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's a
What's
good one.
what would be second?
The quesadilla.
Yeah. Okay. I'll take that.
This is a little dry
Yeah.
and no have skin as well.
Yeah.
It'd be too much breading. I
Look
think
at-
the
look
chef
at-
is gonna
Look,
say.
if you see something so cute, you wanna
Right.
try it.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
matter if it tastes bad. You know, it has to be beautiful, like everybody wanna
Yeah.
do it. Like this, I know the quesadilla, he
That's
can
true.
pour flowers or everything.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know? So, but it is good.
It's because there's no pepper, huh?
But
That's what's
this
missing.
in beat it, I don't know because it's crunchy and it's so cheesy and
It's just good.
Fair
Yeah.
enough.
It's
Okay,
just
all
good,
around
yeah.
was good.
Thank you.
10 out of 10.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Do you have a favorite person here too?
no, I don't
No?
know.
No favorite.
Not favorite.
All
Not
the
favorite. All the
friends
same.
say
She
like-
gave
like-
an honest opinion.
Okay.
Yes,
I believe
all
you.
they say, I don't have any preference. No, nothing.
Good, good.
No, it's good.
Okay. Thank you.
for
Thank you.
letting me taste
Yeah.
Of course, thank you.
You want to take
Come back.
anything with you?
Yeah, you want to take any of these?
The middle one looks pretty good too. You can take one of those. Yeah. I'll take
Hey.
one. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Should we sit down and try?
Yeah.
No, put it back.
No, you need it. You have.
Guys, I think it was yours, Lisandro's and
Really?
and Angel.
How you know this was mine, huh? I'm just kidding.
Because it looks like you don't give a
I tried my best.
I lost all the way around. I got it.
I'm sorry, but I was honest and I don't know who what, for real.
Yeah.
All right, guys. As you can see, we ate all the food. We're at the end of the competition here. As you guys saw, Angel kind of took the cake on this one.
Easy. Delicious, like a flower.
Yeah. The presentation, you got a point for. The taste and the time. So that's 3 points right there. And there's 6 points in total.
How many points you get?
I got 1 single point protein.
Yeah, which is a good one to be fair.
Yeah. Well, protein
Protein's always
chicken.
Good.
Protein
Yeah.
chicken.
But I got 2 points for the calories and the cost. So
And the crispiness.
kind of the and
Crispiness.
lowest money that should be worth like 5. That was like kind of the main part of the video.
That was a budget. The broke chefs.
That's true.
But it was fun. I had fun. I don't ever
That's
cook,
good.
so it's kind of fun to get out of my comfort zone and try something new.
I cook all the time, so easy to show them up.
Yeah.
Done and done.
As he was doing it, I was like, that looks like
That
he
looks
knows me.
Hey, it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good, honestly.
Quesadilla ain't too much skill. I was like, yeah, maybe that'd be easy, but
Yeah.
no, fair enough on how.
Yeah. Woo.
I was too ambitious. I tried to fry the chicken in the air fryer. It worked, but I didn't plan it through.
And speaking of food, me and Lissandro actually did a fasting, so that's also on our channel. So if you guys want to go check that out, that'll be down below. You guys can also kind of judge us if you want. You can say who you think the winner is down in the comments. Yeah, I think it would help Lissandro out a lot. He seems
Yeah.
pretty.
True.
A little depressing, honestly.
Yeah, I'll throw a few points his way for sure. But other than that, I think that's it for this video, guys.
Thank
See
you.
ya.
Thank you. Hey, Lissandro, you almost done with them dishes?
I'm almost done.